This tutorial will show you how to make a super simple fleece hat using some leftover scraps of fleece fabric. You can download the pattern for free by following the link in the description below. To start with, you want to sew the hat pieces in sets of 2 with right sides together. Then you want to sew the 2 sets together along the top seam. Once your hat is sewn, you want to get the band ready. With right sides together, fold the band in half and sew it together to create a loop. Trim the seam and then fold the band in half with wrong sides together lengthwise. Now that your band is prepped, all you need to do is sew it to the hat. Line up the raw edges and sew the band to the hat all the way around. Then trim the seam and press the band down and you already have your finished fleece hat.